Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Steve Natto. Thank you all for stopping by the video today. And for today's video, we are diving into the Air Jordan 1 Low Reverse Bred. This is a newer release here in the US. I'll call it maybe an August/September release. It just started hitting stores. So super excited to take a look at this shoe for today. I really like this colorway and think it's a really good one. But first things first here, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel so you can stay up to date with all of the new sneakers that I post here. I love taking a look at all the new releases and checking them out here with you guys on YouTube, as well as trying them all on feet, seeing what I think and giving you guys my thoughts and opinions. But for today in this video, we're going to do just that, take a look at the reverse bred colorway of the Jordan 1 Low. There has been so many colorways of the Jordan 1 Low release across this year, a lot of really good ones, some that were better than others, but I think this one is going to be near the top of that list. I like this one a lot. I think it's really good, and you for sure can't go wrong with the black and red on the Air Jordan 1 Low. This comes in at a retail price of $90, similar to the other colorways, so all consistent there and all a really nice shoe to take a look at. So let's go and start checking out the shoe. This is the Air Jordan 1 Low Reverse Bred. So here we go now with the shoe. So this is the Air Jordan 1 Low Reverse Bred, primarily in the red color with subtle accents of the black, so the red is a bit more prominent, hence the Reverse Bred name. But then onto the box and the size tag here, if we take a look, this is just your classic Jordan 1 Low box in the black Jordan box. On the size tag, we have Air Jordan 1 Low in gym red, black, and white, again for that retail price of $90. So onto the shoe itself, from the lateral side here, you can see the red all the way around the sneaker, and on the outsole there, the only other color we see on the shoe is the white for the midsole right there, super clean. Then we go up to red pretty much all over the back of the shoe, red on the swoosh, then we have black on the mid panel. It's all in this really nice leather. It's a very solid quality. I wouldn't call it great, wouldn't call it bad, but up to par with Jordan 1 Lows here. We have black on the actual toe box, black laces going all the way up with a red Jumpman on the top of the tongue, black inner liner, and that is pretty much going to round out the lateral side here on the Reverse Bred Jordan 1 Low. As for the front of the sneakers, again, we can see the red on the top of the toe box and then black on the toe box itself with the perforations right there. Move all the way up the tongue. It is a black tongue with black laces attached, and we have the red Jumpman stitched on. Then we can see the black inner liner behind that. Of course, the midsole piece peeking through and the stars at the very top of the toe box. On the outsole, in that red, gym red color of the outsole. As for the medial side of the shoe, there really isn't anything too different. All the colors stay the same. Everything is pretty consistent with the lateral side. Again, we could just see the black laces peeking through. We take a look at this mid panel. We got the red swoosh right there. Take a look towards the toe box, but otherwise all pretty much the same as the opposite side. Of course, when we're talking Air Jordan 1 Lows, we know we got the Wings logo on the back. This one here is stitched on in black for a little bit of that contrast, so you'll be able to see that from pretty far away. I like that touch. It looks nice and goes consistent with the shoe. We have the black tab right there splitting to the medial and the lateral sides on the shoe with the red as well. And then we do have the black inner liner, black behind the tongue. And now we'll take a look inside the shoe. Now, as we move overhead and take a peek inside the shoe, we can see it's all black on the inner liner, black on the insole, with a red Jumpman printed on top. And then if we get the back of the tongue exposed here, we can see the size tag right here with the numbers and information, as well as the style code for the Reverse Bred Air Jordan 1 Low. And lastly here is just the outsole, all in red, the classic silhouette of the Air Jordan 1. So this is the Air Jordan 1 Low outsole, all in red. And finally now, since we have wrapped up taking an up-close look at the sneaker, it's time to get these laced up. This is the Air Jordan 1 Low Reverse Bred, and we'll take a look at it on feet. And now there we have it for the Air Jordan 1 Low Reverse Bred on feet. I like these things a lot. I think they look super clean on feet. Like I said earlier in the video, you really can't go wrong with a bred colorway. In this one, the reverse bred colorway, the black and red with a little bit of white is so clean, looks so classic, and really, really good on the Air Jordan 1 silhouette. So I am a huge fan of this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, but I think this is definitely one of the better Jordan 1 lows for 2020 as a whole. I think this one is really, really good and going to get a lot of attention over the next couple of months because, you know, like I've mentioned before in all my videos here, for the Air Jordan 1 low, the Air Jordan 1 mid, they tend not have really hard set release dates and just start to pop up at retailers kind of whenever they want. So they've started in the US here and will probably start to hit more retailers over the next few weeks and maybe months. Plus with, you know, potential delays in the world right now, you never exactly know, but they should be on their way. If you guys want a little bit of help trying to get this shoe, be sure to check the link in the description down below for my Discord server. I always post links to try and help you guys get the sneakers I talk about here on the channel, so be sure to check that out if you are interested in that. But if we talk a little bit more about the Air Jordan 1 Low silhouette, to recap here, this is the Air Jordan 1 Low. It's a really nice shoe, comes in at $90 retail price. Is a lot lower than the Air Jordan 1 Mid, and the Air Jordan 1 High is still just as wearable, just as comfortable, and a really nice shoe at the end of the day. It does fit true to size or a little bit maybe big. I don't know if I'd really consider it that, but you could go down a half size. I always recommend true to size or going down a half size for a little bit more of a snug fit. That's what I personally like to do, but I think they just look so good on feet. But this colorway right here, the Air Jordan 1 Low Reverse Bred, I love, I think is really good and a really, really good one across 2020 as a whole. So for my final rating and opinion on a scale out of 10, I am going to go a 9.5 out of 10. Huge fan on this. I think everybody should grab this if you like the Bred colorway, the Air Jordan 1 Low, whatever it might be. I think this is an excellent, excellent shoe right here and an awesome one for 2020. So again, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, but I think that is going to wrap it up for today. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, and I will catch you guys again real soon on the next video.